Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the app is updated and you can log in with your MPIN. This avoids lockouts. Once done, make sure your ID and the selfie you used are at hand. Support may request them. Next, open your phone settings to check biometric permissions. You will need to toggle face recognition off there. Do this first to stop automatic face checks, because removing the app setting alone sometimes leaves device biometrics active. You now go straight into the Gcash app. Tap Profile, then Settings, then Security or Biometrics. Once there, toggle off Face ID or face recognition and authenticate with your MPIN or the one-time OTP the app sends. This confirms your intent. If you do not see the option, clear the app cache and restart the app, or update the app and repeat. Make sure to check both app and device biometric toggles so neither side re-enables face checks automatically. To finish, remove any saved face data on your phone. Settings, Security, Face Recognition, then Delete. Once both app and device are clear, test login using MPIN. If Gcash still requires face verification, you contact the Help Center in app chat and explain you disabled biometrics. Provide your ID and a brief explanation. Keep records of the conversation and screenshots. Backend changes can take 24 to 48 hours, so
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.